BVTK 0025. We looked at this one on the 14th, and that was going to be obviously right here around this area. You guys pulled down and opened at that 0018. Nice open. Brought you guys all the way up to that resistance. Again, that resistance level at 0028. We've talked about that before. You got right up to it, closed it, gapped up, and pulled it back down. Again, if you're just watching this, you're just new, you're not too familiar with gap ups, I definitely encourage you to go on YouTube and look at penny stock gap ups. Don't do this. It's a video I did breaking this down, going over this in great detail. Okay, and it explain this to you guys exactly what that is and how to avoid it and what to watch for while you're trading, especially penny stocks. Okay, and we talked about that there, but this is what happened. You guys got up to that second resistance. You guys gapped up, pulled down, filled it again. That resistance turned into support at that 0028 area. And if you pay attention here, again, you know, I don't want it to sound negative at all, so please don't take me the wrong way because we call these stocks way down here. I mean, we've talked about them on the 12th that it could keep going at 0018. We went over it here live, and I said that it can keep going. Okay, so again, and I even said it can pull down fast. You guys, if you go through all the previous videos, it's been pretty dead on. The volume did pick up, the buying pressure rather picked up here on this green day, which would have been 17th. We haven't really covered it since, but the volume has been dropping off now. If it continues to drop off, it could trend down to that 18, which is going to be the first line of support. Don't forget the gap. We have another gap down here that we've talked about at 0012. We're going to be watching that. If this volume continues to slow, it could be going down there to fill that, in my personal opinion. So we'll go ahead and put in my personal thoughts on this one. I'm going to put watch. One, 2, 1, 0. Support's going to be that 0018. Like I said, that's pretty solid support. But don't take me wrong. Like I said, this one can make some serious moves fast. The follow-up behind that's going to be 1-4 because that's going to be the 10-day. 1-0, I would probably feel more comfortable with being off of that. And then the 20-day at 0008 in resistance right now at 0028 and 32. Honestly, I mean, I wouldn't be shocked if this thing pulled down to a 10-day simple moving average and then, you know, like a slingshot right off of it, in my opinion, because just looking at this chart as many times as I've had, you know, 3 times I've actually looked at this a few times off of the stream, and I've been tracking it. But again, I mean, it can make some big moves quick. With that being said, BVTK, if you follow this one, I definitely encourage you to subscribe if you haven't. And all we ask is that you get out there and share this video. The more you share it, the more it's requested, the more we will continue to cover it. So keep that in mind. Get out there and share the video is all we ever ask. If you would like to participate and join in our next live show, you can do so at investorshangout.com/live, where we take your request and go through all these stocks in live time that you bring to us.